Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a sour plum sauce chicken. All right. So, as the name suggests, I have some sour plum sauce. So, why am I making sour plum sauce today? Mainly because usually after I bought sour plum sauce, I use it for the making 酱蒸鱼 only. Yeah. Other than that, I hardly had any chance to use it. So I'm trying to find a recipe to help me to use up the sour plum sauce. So now, today I'm going to make a sour plum sauce chicken. Basically, it's very easy. You deep fry the chicken and then you make the sour plum sauce, coat it with the, and you coat the fried chicken with the sour plum sauce. That's it. All right, so this is probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour plum sauce. This is very, very thick. Later we are going to dilute it a little bit, yeah. And then the chicken here, I have approximately 400-500 of chicken parts cut into chunks, and I marinate it with a bit of light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and also cornstarch. Yeah, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and cornstarch, and a little bit of oyster sauce. And I put it inside the fridge for about 1-2 hours so that the flavor goes in better. You don't really need the temperature to be very hot, somewhere around 120-130 degrees Celsius. I don't mind because I put in some oyster sauce and so light soy sauce. If the oil temperature is too high, the chicken can actually get brown too fast. So somewhere between 130 to 150 degrees Celsius is more than enough. And you're going to deep fry the chicken for approximately 5-7 minutes. Deep fry until it is fully cooked. This is after about 1 minute plus. You can see the oil temperature is rising. Just now my oil temperature is a bit low. Doesn't matter. See, you already started to have the char. Because of the sugar inside the oyster sauce and also the, of course, because of partly due to the light soy sauce also. Very fragrant. This is like 3-4 minutes. Smaller chunk, I think, almost done. I like cooking chicken because chicken is very easy to absorb whatever flavor you give it to them. Now today I'm not using a free-range chicken, but I'm still using an organic chicken here. So why am I not using free-range chicken for this? Because whenever you want to deep fry, if you use a free-range chicken, I think it will be too tough. Maybe you like it, but your family will find it too tough. The meat will be very tough. So I purposely went to Aeon just now to buy some organic chicken. Yeah, so it is actually more tender. So this is like about 5 minutes plus. I think the smaller pieces is done. Let me take out the smaller pieces. Yep. And I'm going to put it on top of the oil absorbing paper at the side. Yeah, all the smaller pieces should be done. This chicken is very tender. I can feel it. Alright, once you have fried out all the chicken, then your first step is ready. So this dish only have 2 steps, super simple. These are the bigger chunks. We give it another 1-2 minutes. So now it's total about 7 minutes. I think it's good enough. I'm going to take out everything. Alright, so here's my chicken over on top of an oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel, yeah? And let's prepare the sauce. Alright, I have a pan here. I'm going to give it some filtered water. And this is the plum sauce. Very, very thick. Very difficult to take out from the bottle. So we're going to dilute this plum sauce a bit, but we are going to give it a bit more flavor. Let's give it some sugar. And I want to give it a bit of color also, so a little bit of light soy sauce. A bit of color plus a bit of saltiness. So let me dissolve everything. Let me double check the angle, the focus. Papa is also the cameraman. You want this sauce to be very, very thick, yeah? If you prefer it to be more sourish, you can put a bit of white vinegar if you like. But just now I already tried, it's already quite sourish. You want it to be very thick, yeah? Cannot be too watery. See? This is sign telling you it is actually very thick right now, even though I added some water. Because the sugar actually also caramelized. Alright, see? We have this very thick consistency. See? This is the time where you can put in the chicken that you fried just now. Give it a few stir, and it is done. That's how simple it is to make a sour plum chicken at home. It will taste really good. I will highly recommend you to marinate the chicken first for at least 1 or 2 hours. That will give it much better flavor. Okay, now I can off the fire. Done. Simple, right? Look at how shiny it is. Look at the beautiful glaze. So this is how simple it is to make sour plum chicken at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.